Now, in the last class that is yesterday, we discussed that how do we actually write big and small numbers in the standard form, right? We discussed how can we actually write big and small numbers in the standard form using exponents and powers. So just a quick revision for that first. That was, we have to write it in the form of a point b c d into, then it would be 10 raised to the power n. Now what is n? N is the number of digits after we are putting the point, and a point BCD is, what is A? A can be any number between 1 to 9, okay, which is in the first number. So suppose 4 point, suppose I have a number 490000000. Okay, now this is the number. Now how can I write this? I'll write 4.9. Okay, and I won't write the zeros after this because zeros after the point do not carry any value. Then I'll write into 10 raised to the power. Now I put the point after, before 9, so I'll count the number of places after the point where I put. So I put the point here, so I'll count the number of places. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I will write 10 raised to the power 8. This was clear to all of you in the last class, and then we further discussed how to write like small numbers in that form. So small numbers where it is also the same. You have to put the point after the natural one digit, and in this case you will put minus. Okay, you count it backwards. You will count it backwards to the original point, and in this case you will write minus. Okay, so 0.000007, that would be 10 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Why minus 6? Because if I put the point here, so I'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6 till the original point. So this is minus 6. This was clear to all of you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now who all tried the homework which I gave?
Sir, I did not understand this though.
Which one, Abu Bakr? The homework or the thing which I taught in the last class?
Sir, the thing you taught in the last class.
Okay, fine. Okay. Abu Bakr, like which one? Both or the minus one, the small number?
Sir, all of them. Sir, the
Fine, fine.
start of the
Sure,
topic.
sure. Fine. I'll explain it again. All of you, please focus here. So the topic says that suppose I have a number that is 4 9. I'll take the number with this one. 1496 1496 Okay. Now what you see, they are saying the distance from Earth to the Sun is 1496 and this. Okay. Now see, how did I read it? 1496 and zeros. So this was actually not very professional of reading it. Also, like every time you need to count the zeros. Okay. So and then you, after you count the zeros, then you'll put commas, and you'll find this is millions, this is billions, this is trillions. So that is very much, okay, that is very much of work and thinking about it.
Sir,
Yes, Priyanka.
your voice is breaking down.
My voice is breaking down. Is it breaking down for everyone?
No, sir.
Now is my voice clear, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now actually we need to express these big numbers in smaller way. Okay, how to do that? Let's see. So bache, the way of doing that is I will put a point after the first digit. Okay, so the point after the first digit, and the first digit should not be 0. Okay, so I'll write the rules here. Rules. Put the point after the first digit, and the first digit should only be should should not be zero. Okay, should not be zero. Okay, now put the point after the first digit, and the first digit should not be zero. This is very important. Now here I can see the first digit is 1, so I'll put the point after it. So 1 point, I'll write it normally like 1.496. Now writing zeros after this has no value, because if I write 5 or I write 5.0 or I write 5.0000, they all are the same. Similarly, if I write 1.4960 or I write 1.4960000 or I write 1.49600, how many zeros are there? They all are the same. Or I write 1.496. Okay, if the ending zeros, we don't write it after the decimal point. So Abu Bakr, first of all, is this point clear?
No, sir, not clearly.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So, this was the basic concept. Now I'll move to the basics. See, Abu Bakr, tell me, is 5 and 05, are they same or are they different?
Sir, they are same.
Same, right? We can like, or if I write 0005, they all mean the same. So we know one thing, that zeros before the number do not carry any value. Okay, zeros before the number, before any number, do not carry any value, right? Same is after the decimal. Okay, so in a decimal, if I write 1 point, like let's say if I, in a decimal, if I write 1 point 1.50, okay, if I write 0.50, let's say if I have 0.5, okay, Abu Bakr, 0.5, if I can we convert that to fraction? Yes, we can. By we can write 0.5, and to remove the point, what we'll do is we'll put a 10 here, and then we can remove the point, right? We put 1 and then 10. Abu Bakr, you know this, right? How to convert a decimal to a fraction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can write this as 5 by 10, and that 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is coming as 1 by 2. Okay, now Abu Bakr, let's take 0.50. Okay, now 0.50 ko I can write as 0.50 divided by, now I'll divide by 100. So if I take now, if I can take out the point, so now this would be 50 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 2. So Abu Bakr, can you see that 0.5 and 0.50 both are equal to 1 by 2? So this means that 0.5 is equal to 0.5 is equal to 0.50, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I take out 0.500, 0.500, now this would be 500 by 1000. Okay, this would be 1 by 2. So this is also equal to 0.500. So it doesn't matter how many zeros we add. Okay, it would remain the same. Now is it clear that zeros after, what did I mean by zeros after the point do not carry any value in the end? Okay, now is this clear, bache?
Yes, sir.
Great, fine. So now if this point is clear, so I'll just write it as 1.496. Okay, and I won't write these zeros because these zeros do not carry any value after that. Okay, they are equal to 1.496 only. Is this clear, Abu Bakr?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, if I multiply it by, now I have to, I told you that then the general form is into 10 raised to the power. Now count the number of digits where you have out after where you have put the point. So आपने जहाँ point put करा है, imagine the point here. You have put the point after 1 only, right? Imagine the point here. So imaginary point is here. So count the number of digits. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 digits after this. So I will put into 10 raised to the power 11. Now you will say, sir, how is this? Like, what logic is this? How did we count the digits and then put into 10 raised to the power 11? Okay, I'll explain it to you through opening this. Okay, now I told you that this is equal to this. This is equal to this. Okay, now we have to prove it. Very simple, very easy way of proving it. I can write this as 1.496 into, now can I write 10 raised to the power as 1 and then 11 zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Abu Bakr, can I write it like this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, how do we multiply any decimal with any this number? What we do is we basically for 1 0 we jump 1 point. So for 3 zeros we'll jump 3 points. That is here. So it would be 1496, and then 3 zeros are eliminated. So now we'll put the rest of the zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll see that this was the same answer that we were getting. So now is this clear, Abu Bakar? How to do it? The logic behind it is clear.
Yes. But
Yes.
then, sir,
Otherwise, yeah.
how did we
How
get
did
10?
how this 10 bache?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the yes. See, this is the general form, because writing it as 1.496 into this big number is makes no sense. Again, we have to write so much. Again, we have to speak so much. Okay, so we can write. See, Abu Bakar, can I write 10 raised to the power? Can I write 100 as 10 raised to the power 2? Think about it. 10 raised to the power 2 is 10 into 10. That is 100, right? Can I write 1000 as 10 raised to the power 3? Yes, because this is 10 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 1000. Okay, Mubakar, can I write 10,000 as 10 raised to the power 4? Yes, I can. Why? Because 10 raised to the power 4 is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Well, basically 10 into 10, 10 multiplied by itself 4 times. So that is 10,000. Now is this clear, Mubakar? Why are we putting it 10? To make it short, to make it easy to
Yes, sir.
say and write. Okay. Others, is this clear? Is this concept totally clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manisha, it is clear. Farhan, Priyanka, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Farhan and Aman, is this clear, bache?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move? Fine, we shall move now. Now the next one is the next topic. The next is, suppose we have a small numbers. Suppose we have small numbers. Let's say 0. I'll pick some number from here. Let's say this. The thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016. 0.0016. But see, this is the thickness of the paper they are saying. Now again, this is a small number. We are gonna represent it in a uh, standard form. How to do that, Abu Bakr and others? You tell me what was the rule I told you. Put the point after one digit. Okay. Put the point after one digit. And that one digit should not be zero. Because वहाँ पे तो already here already the point is after one digit. Okay. So and it is zero. So we have to put it after a non-zero number. So the first digit that comes, which is a non-digit number, that is one, right? Here. If I go it like this way, so the first digit coming is one. So I'll put the point after one. So one and then 1.6. Okay. Now into 10 raised to the power, I will write, now see, I put the point here. Imagine the point here and count it now before, because originally it was on the left side. So count it before. So there are three digits. 1, 2, 3. We have to count it till the original point. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll write it 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now again, sir, why is minus 3 now here? See, the reason for that is I can write 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 as into 1 by 10 raised to the power 3, right? If I reciprocate, the negative sign would be positive. This was one of the laws. Now I write this 1.6 by 10 raised to the power 3. Now what this would be equal to 1.6 by 10 raised to the power 3 was 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. So that is 1000. Okay, the trick is the power, put the equal number of zeros. Now 1.6 by 1000. So we already know how to do this. Make it three places jump behind. So that would be equal to 0.0016. Eventually we are getting this only, right? So this is proof that how is this possible. Is this clear now? Abu Bakr, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, otherwise, is this clear? The negative one?
Clear, sir.
Fine. So, write this down, please. And do it in a systematical way to make you understand. I did it like first push, but you write it in a systematical way in your notes.
Done, sir.
Otherwise, is it done? Shall I scroll it down?
Sir, wait.
Could you scroll down, please?
Google is still writing. Scroll down a bit. Can I scroll down a bit?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, I'm done.
Sir, I'm done.
Write this, then I'll be giving questions. Are you all writing this? Can we move to the questions now?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
So yeah, to tell you one more thing. About comparing very large and very small numbers. How to compare any two numbers? See, and very small numbers. Again, an easy topic, not a topic, basically a subtopic of a topic. Suppose in the question they are saying that diameter of sun, so diameter of sun is given 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 9. 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 9. And diameter of earth is 1.2756. Diameter of earth is 1.2756 to 10 raised to the power 7 meters. Okay. Now we need to compare them. So, like in reality, also you must have seen someone saying, okay, that this thing is 1,000 times bigger than that. Okay, this thing is 100 times bigger than that. This thing is 10 times bigger than that. This thing is double of that, right? We must have heard it a lot of times. So, don't you ever think, ki, how do they know that it is exactly 1,000 times? Okay, we don't think that because we know that it is actually approximation. We know that, okay, this is not exactly 1,000 times, but approximately it is 1,000 times of that. Approximately this thing is 10 times of that. Okay, this is how we say it. Same as what we are going to do here. Okay, we are going to apply approximation. So what we are going to do is we are going to divide both of them. To compare anything, we divide. So to divide diameter of sun by diameter of earth. So if we are dividing both of them, now see 1.4 and 1.2756. These numbers are actually very close. Okay, these numbers are actually very close. And since 1.4 and 1.27 are very small, okay, with compared to diameter of sun and diameter of earth. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we are gonna take them as almost equal. Okay, we are going to take them as almost equal, that 1.4 and 1.2756 are almost equal, because of course they are, first of all, they are very small. Like it's not like that we are taking 20 and 5. Okay, 20 and 5 you can't take equal in this. Okay, but we can take 1.4 and 1.5 because there is a difference of only 0.13. So what we are going to do is we are going to assume that 1.4 and 1.27 are approximately equal. So we are going to cut it. It's very simple. We are going to cut both of them. So now we'll be left with 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, divided by 10 raised to the power 7. Now bases are same, powers would subtract, so 10 raised to the power 9 minus 7, that is 10 raised to the power 2 meters. 10 raised to the power 2, not meters, 10 raised to the power 2. Okay, now that is 100. So diameter of sun by diameter of earth is equal to 100. So therefore diameter of sun, I'll keep it here only, I'll take this there, of sun is equal to 100 into diameter of earth. So now this is the answer, that finally we can say that diameter of sun is 100 times, 100 times, 100 times, 100 into this. So 100 times the diameter of earth. Okay, is this clear? That how do we say this? Diameter of sun is 100 times the diameter of earth. This is how we can say this. Okay, now if you calculate by accurately, so the answer would come as 1 point something. Okay, if I cancel out 1.4 by 1.27, so that would be 1 point, let's say 1.0 something like this. Okay, now you'll, what do actually say, that what do we say in real, that diameter of sun is 1.25 into 1.25 into 10 raised to the power 2 times, or no, we directly say that it is 100 times. Okay, so this is how we do the approximation. So I hope this concept is clear to all of you, that how to solve it, how to do any comparison. The numbers, if we have to assume the numbers are almost equal if they are very close, very small. Okay, is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? I need a response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, others? Priyanka, Minisha, Aman, Farhan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aman and Farhan, is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Aman, is this clear? Note this down, all of you.
Certain.
Okay, others are done.
Done, sir.
Fine. See, same they have done it here. Like now they are saying compare the. Let us compare the red blood cell which is 0 point this and see. Now they have compared RBC is 0.123 0.000007 and plant cell is so plant cell is 0. Okay, RBC and plant cell are both this. Okay, that is 0.007 and this. Now we have to compare both of them. So how do we compare them? First of all, write it in the standard form. So if I write it in the standard form, this would be 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. And if I write this one in the standard form, it would be 1.275 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5. Okay, now how to compare them? I told you, divide them. So RBC by plant cell, that is equal to 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 divided by 1.275 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay. Now see, here you have to apply your mind. Okay. That can I eliminate the 10 raised to the power minus that by any chance? Can we? So yes, we can try it down. So if I can write this as 0.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now you'll say, sir, how is this possible? We did not understand this part. That how can we write as 0.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6? See, if I can write this as I can write 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 as 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Why? Because if I again add this, so minus 1 minus 5 would be minus 6. Now this 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.7. This is 0.7 into 10 raised to the power 1 minus 5. Okay, so this you would have to like, this would come by practice to you. Now 0.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 1.275 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now what I'll do is I will cut both of them, 10 raised to the power minus 5 and 10 raised to the power minus 5. I'll cut both of them. Okay. Now I am left with 0.7 divided by 1.275. Okay. Now see, 0.7 and I can write this as approximately 1.3. Okay, if I take out the point, so this is 7 by 13. Okay, and 7 by 13 is almost equal to 1 by 2. I told you here we have to take approximations. Okay, so 13 is very close to 14. So I'll do a 7 ones are 7 twos are, so 1 by 2. Because we won't say that it is 0.4 times. We can say it is half, that is 0.5. But we don't generally say that it is 0.45 times. No, no, we don't say that. Or 1 by, let's say, we don't say that it is 7 by 13 times. We generally call it half, right? We can generally call it half. So this is how I am gonna write it down, that 7 and 13 I'm gonna cut, so 1 by 2. I hope this concept is clear to all of you.
Yes.
Okay, Aman, Priyanka, Abubakar, Minisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right. Note this also, then I'll give you some questions to practice.
Okay, sir.
Are you all done writing this?
No, sir.
Okay, write it down. Are you all done, bache, now?
Yes, sir.
Abubakar, are you done?
Wait, last. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now, I want you all to track example number 9. One. All of you, please try example number 9. This one. All the three parts, try it out.
Sir, all the three?
Yes. All the three.
Done, sir.
Okay. Please write the answers in the chat box if you're done. Okay, so I can see Priyanka's answers. So Priyanka, your first one is correct. Your second one is also correct, and your third one is also correct. Okay, Priyanka. So, Bache, you can leave the class now. All your answers were correct. Very good. I'll see you in the next class then. Abu Bakar, first one you did a mistake, but that should
Thank you,
you
sir.
took
Bye.
my okay, my bache. Abu Bakar, read it carefully. It is 10 raised to the power plus 5, not minus 5. Okay, so try that again. Others, what is the progress? Minisha,
Sir,
Farhan,
I'm already finished.
okay. Farhan, are you able to do it?
Sir, I'm typing it in the chat box.
You are doing the second or the third one?
Sir, I'm typing in the chat box.
Okay, fine. Abu Bakar, bache, why have you put 5 zeros? You don't have to put the number of zeros after that. You have to like first count the number of zeros, then jump the point two places ahead for the number of zeros, and then add the zeros. See, I have first one. So all of you did. So the first one would be someone is written in the chat. Minisha, first one is correct. Second one is also correct, and third one is also correct. Very good, Minisha. You can also leave the class. Your answers were correct. Thank you. Okay. Abu Bakar, see, focus here. 3.52 into 10 raised to the power 5. This means 3.52 into 10000. So Abu Bakar, see, bache, if I have to wait, someone is written in the chat as well. Farhan, first one is no. All three of them are wrong. Farhan, you also focus here. So I'll write it down there only. So it is 3.52 into 10 raised to the power 5. This is 3.52 into 1,0,0,0,0,0. Okay. Now two zeros. Now jump the point, make the point jump ahead for every zero. So I'll make the point jump one ahead, I'll cut 1 0. I'll make the point jump one place ahead, I'll cut 1 0. So now this is 352. Now three zeros are left, so I'll write down three zeros. This is the trick on how to do it. The first one is correct. Clear how to do it now? Both of you? Farhan and Abu Bakar?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. The second one, see. Second one is 7.54 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. 7.54 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So minus 4 means 4 zeros back. So for 1 0, make it jump one ahead, one back ahead. So now it will be 754, and then one point you make it jump back. Okay, now after this write three zeros whichever left, because this means 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Now when you make it jump back, so 1 0 you cut, then 3 zeros were left, so you write 3 zeros and then point. So it would be 0.000754. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Abu Bakar, is this clear? Abu Bakar, bache, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see, the last one is 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So this means 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this would mean that point is after 3, right? But we are not showing it. So make it jump 1, so 3, and then so 1 0 cancel. Now 4 zeros, so write 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, and then put a point after this. So it would be 0.00003. This is the answer for this one. Is this clear now? Rahan and Abu Bakar? Do you want me to repeat it, this one?
Clear, sir.
No, sir, I got it.
Fine, great. Please note this down, and once you are done, you can leave the class. Now we are done for the class.